looks cool. Not exactly the same. This shows it with a post. This one also shows it with a post. And big fatty new tires. But being a Mopar product, got the reverse threads. So, got to order something different for it. And then see about putting that set of tires on that I will explain where those came from. I used to have those, and then I had to buy them back. Quite a few years ago, about 18 years ago, I had gotten these wheels off of my 68 Charger that my dad had gotten me. And he said, you can do whatever with the car, with the wheels, you decide kind of thing. So at the time, I didn't really think these wheels were that great. So I was like, okay, I'm going to sell them. So not really sure how I think he just told some people he knew that I had these wheels for sale. And so we made a deal. I want to say I got like $100, maybe it was $400, maybe it was $100 per wheel. I can't remember. But I want to say it was like $100. And at the time, I was pretty much broke. I was getting ready to get married. And so $100 was like, yeah, I need that. So sold them. Regretted it because I still have the Charger and really want to keep all that stuff that my dad had helped me accumulate back then. And so now I was looking around online trying to find just different cool stuff in my area. And I ended up coming across a 1975 Plymouth Trail Duster in a little town of Washington near where I live. And so I messaged the guy and we got to talking and he said, hey, I think that my brother bought some wheels from you like 20 years ago. And I had been thinking about those wheels off and on for a while right before that. Then sure enough, they were the wheels. Since then, they had put new tires on the wheels. They hadn't done anything with them yet. So now you see them here where we're trying to put them on this car. We may or may not leave them on this. I don't know. Just something we're messing around with.
That's right.
New tires, at least.
Yeah.
They'll be good rollers if nothing else.
Yeah, stay, but
Yeah, but got to roll it around somehow.
that's right. Three inches.
These are curtains. Like, if you need curtains for your car, these are a nice addition. As you can see, the engine's going to need a little work. I'll be pulling that out probably later this week. Missing a radiator if anybody's got one laying around. I guess I could order one. If anybody's got their favorite site or shop they like to buy Mopar parts from, this car we're going to be building needs a few things, specifically in the engine bay area, like a radiator. We're going to be building out, looks like a 413, and we're probably going to go with a max wedge setup. That hasn't been completely determined. Let us know what you think about that for this car. But that's something we are currently working on, is getting some parts for it. She's on. Can't get to anything. So this car, story of where I found it, it was in a field somewhere in Chico, California, which nobody could see that I know of. But I ended up buying this Roadrunner you see here that is very smashed. And the only reason I bought this Roadrunner was because I had the whole front end of a 69 Satellite, the fenders and the hood and all the rest of it. So I figured I could piece them together and make this Roadrunner good again. And so anyway, so I asked the people, like I always ask, hey, do you have any other Mopars or any other cars for sale? And they said yes. And I said, hey, what is it? And anyway, we worked out a deal on this 63 Fury that, like I said, would have been impossible to get. without having purchased the Roadrunner first. So ended up here also, and now we're working on it. So in the town of Washington, which is, I don't know, 45 minutes from where we're at, I had found that Plymouth Trail Duster and those wheels and some other stuff. Here's a picture of a part of something else of what I found. But there's another area where I found some cool mopar parts and got some stuff we needed for a couple projects, so worked out really good.